I don't know, our live stream keep crashing today. And it's just showing blank. Okay. So we can get back into trading view right now. So for those of you who are just joining right now again from YouTube, so we already have our signal right here. So on GBP JPY, we are looking to buy from 188.645 level, and our stop loss will be at 188.234 level. So we'll keep our stop loss right here, which is about 40 something pips away from our entry. And our take profit one is at 189.766 level as our take profit one. And then our take profit 2 will be at 190.666 level. So that's what we'll be targeting for GBP JPY. So we actually need this retracement back here. Now, for those of you who couldn't join at first, we also have a setup on so this was a 15-minute setup on GBP USD. We are waiting for the market to trace back to 1.31716, and we'll get a buy from here targeting the previous high, which is 1.32986 as our take profit also. So now let's move up to the next pair. We are also done with GJ, which is one I just shared with you right now. So we can move up to UJ. So UJ, it actually hit my TP. So I did not share this signal with you guys. I only shared it in our live stream on Tuesday. It actually hit my TP before going above. So I'm just going to clear it off. Now let's take a look at UJ movement also. So we can see that UJ just gave us, let me go over to the 30-minute time frame for a better view. So we can say UJ just gave us a decent market shift from this level here. So looking at UJ right now, we can actually be looking for buys from right here. Can try getting buys from here. So if UJ could give us a retracement to this level, we can kindly get a buy from right here. Our stop loss, our take profit at this 144.0 level, a psychological level, and our take profit right below the level here, because it's a lower time frame trade, meaning we need to risk less. So that will be about 23 pips for UJ. So one UJ to actually trace back to this 142.281 level, and that gives us a bullish close immediately. Once we get a bullish close confirmation on the 30-minute time frame, we'll take a buy targeting the 144.00 level. That's a solid 1:5 as well on UJ. So I'm just going to keep my alert right here. And this UJ is more close to our entry than the GJ, so I have to keep a close eye on it. So next up is simply GBP NZD. So for this one, I already have a setup on it, and I'm not willing to change the setup. So I'm just going to drop you guys the information of the setup. So for GBP NZD, let me just minimize the stop loss here. GBP NZD, we are waiting for our entry at 2.11600 for GBP NZD. So we are looking for our entry right at that place. So we are waiting for our entry right here. and then our take profit will be at the previous supply level that the market left behind there, which is at 2.14758 level on GBP NZD, and our stop loss is 2.11279. So this is my target on GBP NZD since the beginning of the week, and I'm still holding up to it because the market is still giving us power to the upside. You can see under break of structure was confirmed right here. Let me change this also to the right word. So break of structure, and then our liquidity is right here, which has been swept. So now we're waiting for this market to come back down a little bit at this area here, then we'll get our buy immediately. So that is it for GBP NZD. Next off, we'll go to gold. Now for gold is a master of where I trade more of a lower time frame. So I'm going to look at gold on the 1 hour time frame. So forget about all these long candles you are seeing rejecting up and down. Those were due to the rate cut news that came out yesterday. That's why you're seeing all of those. So for GBP, ZOR USD, which is good, we can just get our demand level right here. Here will be the most decent demand level we are going to get, because all this other side was created by news, and when I'm analyzing, I don't really take news into account. Whatever thing news created, I don't normally look into it that much, because I know that one will be closed off within a few minutes. So here is our liquidity level. So for gold, we're actually waiting for gold to trace back to 25.56 level. Once you get to 25.56 level and they give us a bullish close, and then we can actually take a buy immediately. And gold will definitely do this between today and tomorrow. And no gold too well when it comes to moving. And then we'll get to target at 2600 level. So yeah, this is what we are expecting on gold. We need this market to trace back here, give us a bullish close, we'll get to our entry, and then target this top here. That's simply all we want on gold, and nothing much. So here is the entry details on gold. Let me just double click it. So entry price is 255.947, and then our take profit starts 255.9925. Okay, let me just modify it here to 2600. So our take profit is at 2600, and our stop loss is at 2550. So this is a very tight stop loss on gold, but that's the best thing you can ever do on gold, is reducing your stop loss, is using the tighter stop loss position and a bigger aim. Now next up is silver. Silver actually gave me a crazy thriller, but I already cleared it off. So let me come over to the 1 hour time frame. Now looking at silver as well, one of a kind of a market. So I'm not going to analyze silver. The reason why I'm not going to analyze silver is that you see where this my alert is, it's actually a strong supply level on the higher time frame, and silver is close to it. So I think it's best to let silver. We are not going to take any sales on silver. So looking at silver right now, that's a strong supply level that is about to reject from. And if a market is coming from a supply level, it's less likely to respect this demand level that is right here. So for that reason, we are going to leave silver alone, because I'm likely to take a sell setup there. Now let's move to BTC USD. So BTC USD is actually at my sell level. Yeah, I had a sell setup on BTC USD. So that's where the market is right now. For this BTC USD, a decent let me just go down over here and then minimize the area on the lower time frame. So let me come back to the current market position. So now on BTC USD, you can actually take a sell from where the market is right now. Personally, I would rather sell BTC USD from where it is right now, because if I wanted to take the setup before here, it has already given the bearish close. So from where BTC USD is right now, I'm going to place a sell trade on my phone because I'm very, very optimism about the sell setup I had on GBP USD. All this movement here was actually fostered by the rate cut news and nothing special about the BTC. So this look risky, but I'm going to take the sell because it has already played. It's already played by my setup. So I'm going to take the sell. So for me, I don't actually advise pending orders in most cases. So it's best off you wait for it to come back to test the level. Except for BTC USD right now that I'm actually going to sell. So sorry guys, I will be a bit I'm coming to place a trade on my phone. So BTC USD, new order, stop loss at entry now, and the stop loss at what? Okay, let me just modify position. Stop loss at 62624, and then my take profit to be at 59 point, okay, 59244. So I just took a sale on BTC USD right now, and I'm going to hold it regardless of what the market does from here. So I just took a sell on BTC USD right now. I'm selling it from here and then targeting this 59.244 level as my take profit, and then have this 62,624 level as my stop loss. So we'll hold that on gold as well on a BTC USD, and I'm holding the sell right now. And next up is US30. All our setups here got destroyed. So on here, this one will give us a very good yield right here, considering the fact that what it broke out of a range. You can see here's the range I identified in our last live stream here. Here we see we had a range here. The market broke out of the range, came back to retest before moving upward. And if you know how to trade breakouts and retest, you know that this is a good trading opportunity. For that reason, it's very safe to get our demand level right here. So for US30, we are waiting for the market to trace back to the 41,780 level. Immediately market trace back here, give us the bullish close, we get our buy from here. Now for those of you who are planning to take limit orders, I actually don't advise limit orders. The reason is that what, when the market comes to this level, we are only taking the trade when it gives us that bullish close. That bullish close is our confirmation to take the trade or not. So if we don't get that bullish level, there's no need to take the trade. That's why I'm not going to advise you to actually place limit orders and all of that. If the market comes back to this demand level and did not give you the bullish close, meaning that what, we did not get our confirmation, and since we did not get our confirmation, we are not going to take that trade. So put this in mind. That's why I don't make mention of limit orders on my live stream. So I'm just going to keep my alert right here right now. And then next up is UK 100. And that market, that's actually okay. So UK 100 is actually approaching this long-term sell setup that I had on it. Let me see. Okay, this was on the hourly time frame that I had this sell setup. Maybe 4 hour then. Yep, it was on the 4 hour time frame that I had a sell setup. So for this reason, I'm not going to advise you to take buys on it despite looking upward. So I'm just going to keep my alert right here. Once the market come here, I'm taking my sell on it, because it's the 4 hour supply level that I've marked long time ago. So I'm going to monitor it till it actually gets here. Let me look at the alert that I've set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I had one on GBP and ZD. I'll keep this one here. This one is more volatile, will generate more profit in less time. So next up is NAS 100. I also had a sell setup here that I did not take, you can see. The news yesterday actually changed a lot of market direction. Remove this drawing. For that reason, we are going to go for this old supply level right here at the top. Okay, that one also is being mitigated. So best of leave this market. All the supply levels here are being mitigated. Let me come down to the 30-minute time frame if we have good demands. Not really. I'm going to leave NAS 100 alone for this particular live stream. I'm going to leave it alone. Maybe it could get back to normal from next week. So remove drawings as well from here. This Ethereum USD. Well, all these cryptos are actually going to sell off again, because Ethereum also is just approaching this 2460 something level, maybe 2470 level. Once you get there, all of them are going to sell off. So I'm just going to skip Ethereum for this live stream as well. Now GBP Euro JPY also triggered, came in here and then went ahead. This one I did not drop. I did not place any of their trade yesterday. We only took GBP JPY. So in case you are wondering when we place a trade, how we place a trade, you can actually join my Telegram channel, because once it's time to place trade, I'm actually going to let you know right there. Now let's look at Euro GBP, JPY. So Euro JPY on the lower time frame, we're having a good uptrend, meaning that what we can identify some good demands right here. Here's demand 1, give us a break of structure right here. And if we're identifying this demand, then we are skipping this one and then looking at this demand right here. So it's like I have some comment right there on YouTube, so it's best I check it out. So we're also live on TikTok as well. You can follow me on TikTok. The name is Perez Trade on TikTok actually. So I'm just telling them right now in the comment section that nothing like a limit order. So yeah, this is it for Euro JPY. We're also waiting for a buy on Euro JPY. We need a retracement to actually get a buy from Euro JPY. So our first entry is waiting for this market to come back to this 30-minute demand level. It gives you a 30-minute demand level retest and then a bullish close here. Then you take your buy right here. And then target the previous high. Keep your stop loss right below here. That is going to be some huge pips and no Euro JPY a lot. Okay, just 30 something pips. That's fair. Still within our 60 pips stop loss max location. So here I want this market to actually trade from here, give here, and I give you a bullish close, then you get your buy from here immediately. So that is it for Euro JPY. And then if the market comes here and then didn't give you the bullish close before it breaks out of here, then you just have to avoid it and then wait for this lower demand here at 157 level also. So this is the reason why most of you often fail when you identify your demand levels. If the market comes to this demand level and then breaks out of it, that simply means how this demand level has failed. So you simply have to wait for it to come down to the next demand level for you to take your trade. Now GBP Australian dollar. So no more for me to actually identify here. I'm done with all of the pairs that I'm actually going to look into. So BTC is what I'm only holding live right now. All these are fundamental candles that all of them will relax sooner or later. I'm just going to keep my position up running till tomorrow because it's already Thursday. I don't trade on Fridays. I don't open trades on Fridays, so I'm just going to hold this trade till then. So I'll keep my alert right here. This is why I'm coming to monitor the trade. So hello guys, these are the signals I have for you today. GBP USD, we are waiting for a retracement down to this level and then we'll get our buy from here. GBP CAD, we skipped it because no defined movement. GBP JPY, we are waiting for it to retrace back to 188.645 level and then we'll get a buy from there. And then USD JPY, we are waiting to retrace back to 142.28 81 level, give us a bullish close, and then we'll buy from there. And then GBP NZD, we are waiting it to trade to sell up to 2.1169 level, and then we'll get a buy from there. Next up is Mr. Gold. We want it to trade back to 2559.47, give us a bullish close, we'll get a buy from there. Silver, we skipped silver because it's approaching a nearby level right there. BTC USD is the market that I've asked everyone to actually take a trade if they are willing to take it. For me, I've already taken my sell on BTC USD already. Next up is US30. We are waiting for it to come back to 41,795 level, and then we'll get a buy from there. UK 100, I skipped it because I had a old time sell setup right here that I'm waiting to take. I can't be buying and selling the same market at the same time. NAS 100, we skipped it. Ethereum, we skipped it. And then Euro JPY, we are waiting for it to trade back to 158.638 level, and then we'll get a buy from there. GBP AUD, we actually skipped it, and these are all the pairs on my list and that I'll be looking into today. So hello guys, have a nice day. I'm about to end this live stream right now, so enjoy us. Just take a snapshot of other setups, or simply join my Telegram channel where I'm going to be updating once any of the signals play out. So have a lovely day. Bye.